Hi, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on the Samsung range model NE59R4321SS. We're going to be replacing the small radiant element. To get started, we need to open the range door and unscrew the 3 screws that secure the cooktop to the range. Once removed, close the door and lift the cooktop. Make sure you have something to use as a brace to keep it open. Unscrew the 3 screws securing the bottom brace to the cooktop. Remove the brackets from the brace. Note which lettered slot these are removed from, as they will need to go back into the same slot. Remove the wires from the element connectors. Note the locations of these wires, as they will go on to the new Supply and Demand radiant element in the exact same way that they were removed. Remove the brackets from the old element and attach to the new Supply and Demand element. Be sure to note which numbered slot they were removed from, as they will need to go on the new element in the exact same place that they were removed. Once the brackets have been reattached, connect the wires to the new element and secure to the cooktop. Secure the brace to the cooktop with the screws that were removed earlier, and screw the cooktop back into place on the range if finished with all of your repairs at this time. Remove the brace holding the cooktop open and carefully lower it until closed. Open the range door and screw in the 3 screws that were removed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.